So now guys, in this video we will talk about modifying methods in a string in Python language. So modifying is one of the most important topic in string as well. So let's suppose there is a string called hello world again, my favorite, not complicated. Now if suppose I just want to print all the characters of this string in upper or capital letters, how will I do that? So there is a function called upper, so it will convert the whole string into the capital letters. So let's do that. Just print, use print function, and then a and then dot and call the function upper. Fine. And just let's print this value. Fine, and as you can see, the whole characters of the string has been converted into the capitals. Now, if you want to print all character of the string in the lower characters, so or smallest, just use the lower opposite of upper, and let's print it again. And as you can see, it converts all the character into in smaller letters. So the first H and W are capitals. So now it is smaller. Fine. So now what can we do? Now we are going to use another method in string is white space method. Or so how can we remove white space from the string? Suppose if I use this space and which is not needed in the string, and if I use this space, so this if I want to remove these white spaces of this useless or not unnecessary space, how can I remove that? So there is called one more method which is strip. So just if I use print a dot strip and use the function, now if I print this value, you will see the difference in after applying this function. So it's the space from the beginning and the end will be removed, and as you can see, space has been removed. Fine. And what are the other method? So there is another method. If I want to replace h with r, how will I do that? So there is another function called replace. So it will replace any specific character from the string. Like if I use this function and then I want to replace h with r. Let's see. So it will first of all it will search h character in the string, and first if it encounter any such character, it will replace with r. Fine. And we can also replace the whole string with another string. So we can use it for the character or we can use it for the string. If I use hello, I'm going to replace hello with hey, hi world. Fine. And if I use this function, so it will replace a hello with hi, hi. And as you can see, hi world. Got it? So we can use it for the character and the string as well. Now I'm going to use split function. So what does it do? It is actually, so split basically split the string by any specific keyword. So if I use comma here, and if I use this function split, and if I use this is called delimiter. So if I put comma here, so it will split any string by comma. So we can separate any string by comma, and then we can split that string by the comma keyword. So it will basically return the list in which hello and world will be used separately, or are stored separately on different index. Fine. So let's see. So it actually returns the list of the character, or of the words. As you can see, it returns a list, and the first element is hello and the second element is world. So I can also use apple, banana, and orange, and I can use this word fruit, and I can also use fruit here. So let me run this. And as you can see, it is returning the list of the string that are separated by the comma keyword, which is delimiter. Delimiter, I don't know what does exactly. So I have used that word in Java. So now the other method can be, so this is the end of the slicing, modifying methods of string. We'll talk about concatenate strings in later video. I hope you like this, and we have covered in this video upper, lowercase, strip method, slipped method, and split method. Understood? So if you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment section. And yeah, this is our string part number 2 in Python tutorial. So if you don't know how to use Python in Visual Studio, I have already made the video on that, so you can go and check it out, how to run your first hello world program in Visual Studio, and how to set up Python for in Visual Studio on Windows. So till then, bye bye.